Today we deals about the reproduction in Planaria. Planaria, it is a bryophyte. It can grows during the rainy season in the and there is a high rainfall in that area. The Planaria it can grows, and Planaria it is a bryophyte. Last time we have seen the occurrence, external morphology and internal structure of the Planaria. Today we can deals about the reproduction in Planaria. Planaria it can reproduces by two methods. One is the sexual vegetative reproduction and another is the sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction in Planaria it can be takes place by various ways. That is vegetative reproduction by fragmentation of primary protonema, then vegetative reproduction by fragmentation of secondary protonema, then vegetative reproduction by formation of the gymi, then vegetative reproduction it can be takes place by the apospore. The vegetative reproduction by primary protonema or by fragmentation of primary protonema. The primary protonema is a protonema. It can breaks into number of fragments, and these fragments they have the capacity of the division, and then these primary protonema it can breaks into number of fragments, and each fragment gets separated, and during the favorable conditions each fragment grows and forms the new plant of the Planaria. They can be formed. Then vegetative reproduction by the secondary protonema. The secondary protonema in which the lateral buds born on the secondary protonema and they produce the leafy gametopore in the same ways in the primary protonema. The secondary protonema it can breaks into number of fragments, and then they can each fragment they can grows and forms the such leaves they can be arises and forms the new plants. Then the vegetative reproduction by formation of the gymi. These are the vegetative reproductive bodies. They can be developed at the tip of the secondary protonema as well as primary protonema, and then these gymi they can detached from this protonema, and each gymi it is a oval in shape, and then these gymi they can contain mass of cells, and they can divide by the transverse wall formation and then longitudinal wall formation, and then they can grows. Each gymi grows and forms the new Planaria plants. They can be also formed. And then vegetative reproduction by the apospore. The apospore means the gametophytes are developed from the sporophytes without spore formation, and this phenomena is called as apospore. When the sporophyte tissue are wounded or it can forms the injury and produces the protonema. The protonema may originate from the unspecialized cells of various parts of sporogenous tissues or sporogonium, such as the sterile cell of the capsule and seta. The protonemal filaments may bear lateral buds, from each of which develops into a leafy gametophore. In this way, the vegetative reproduction in Planaria it can be takes place by these ways. The vegetative reproduction can be takes place by fragmentation of primary protonema, then vegetative reproduction by the formation of fragmentation of secondary protonema, then vegetative reproduction by gymi, and vegetative reproduction by apospore. In these ways, the vegetative reproduction can be also takes place. Then another way of the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction it can be takes place by formation of the sex organs. In Planaria, the sex organs, that is male and female sex organs, they are formed. The male sex organ